Bayad ang mga tao ng sweldo ninyo tapos pati kayo kasali dyan. Stricto talaga ako sa pulis. Ayan sila. Puro general yan. Protektado ko ang pulis pag sa trabaho. Kasi ma-demoralize pag hayaan. Alam mo ba, Senator, nung mayor ako, ayan, puro dumaan ng Davao yan, puro naging chief of police yan. Pagka ang pulis nagkaroon ng kaso, yung araw na yon na ma-file yung kaso against the police, tangina yung sweldo niya, hinto na yan. Wala nang pagkain na duwadating doon sa pati yung mga anak. Hinto pati yung edukasyon ng bata. Kaya pinoprotektahan ko sila. Ito puro generals. Pero alam nila, sila mismo pinoprotektahan ko. Dumaan ng kaso yan. Pero yung mga pulis naggago,
I will take advantage of the presence of the former president and then ask now the police generals present this afternoon. Narinig niyo yung sinabi ni Presidente? Generals Danao and Coy, do you confirm what the President said? Na kung involved ang police ninyo sa krimen, siya mismo ang pinapatay daw niya. So do you confirm such a statement?
alam nila yan.
As far as I'm concerned, sir, when I was under the Davao City Police Office, hindi naman siguro sila yung pinapatay.
Sige, tell us.
As far as I know, sir, wala mang pinatay po si Mayor talaga.
What do you do? What do you do? The policemen involved in crime?
Policeman is involved in crime, sir.
That's
Okay.
the scenario eh.
Sir, nung panahon ko, when I was the city director, there was one policeman who was discharged for illegal drugs. And unfortunately, hindi ko na lang po i-mention yung pangalan kung sino yung congressman na nilapitan at na-reinstate po sa serbisyo, in short. Okay, he was already discharged from illegal drugs. Wala pang 1 year, sir. Walang ginawa kundi magmaoy, mamaril, at binabaril niya, sir, yung kanyang misis, binabattle indok niya yan. Okay? So, in short, sir, yung taong yun, tinausap ko. Kasi sabi ko, kababalik mo lang, baka pwede namang maglaylo ka. Okay? So, ang nangyari, sir, naglaylo siguro ng 3 linggo. Ganon uli, sir. So, binaril na ng binaril yung misis niya. And accordingly, sabi mismo ng misis niya, Sir, kaya po laging nagwawala na naman itong mister ko dahil bumalik uli sa droga. So in short, sir, pinatay namin. Ganoon lang, sir.
Anong circumstances? Meaning pinatay ninyo, paano?
Sir, lumaban, sir, Pulis, may sariling baril, sir. Binabaril nga na yung misis niya. Kami pa.
Patay nyo sa bahay niya?
Yes, sir. Pinoperate namin talaga, yes, sir. Pinoperate namin, sir. Nakalimutan ko lang yung apelyido. Pero that was when I was the city director. I think it was 2014.
Anong month po?
I am familiar with the...
Sige, sir. Can you supply the details, Mr. President?
Yes, lumaban, sir.
Yung anong petsa, so that yung mga gusto mag-research further sa insidente, anong petsa, anong pangalan ng tao?
And I cannot... it would be impossible to remember that. I have to go back home and...
General Danao, month and year? Para lang because this happened in Davao City, pero anong month and year? Para...
Yes, sir. Hindi ko lang, sir, maalala yung pero I was the city director, sir, Pero that was from... Kasi I was assigned, sir, from 2012 up to 16 yata. Basta almost 3 years yun, sir,
Thank you.
So, walang ginawa yun, sir, kundi magsumbong sa station. And, actually, pinatawag ko, sir, yung police, Yun nga ang pinagtataka ko, sir. Dahil na-discharge na ito, hindi ko na lang sasabihin, sir, kung sinong congressman yung nilapitan niya.
Sige po.
And, nakabalik, sir, sa serbisyo. So, yun ang nakakasakit, sir, sa atin. Dahil Dinischarge ka na nga for illegal drugs and yet nakabalik ka uli. Pagbalik mo, the same trabaho, illegal drugs pa rin. So what will we do, sir? Alam ka naman na misis mo, binabaril mo, buntis, binabatil indok mo, hindi lalo na sa ibang tao.
Thank you, General Cuy. Any reaction to what the President said?
So when I was the city director then in 2005, I cannot remember any incident of a member of the Davao City Police na involved in illegal activities. But yung policy na yun po ni Mayor noon was well known to the public, more so to the members of the police force.
Senator,
Go ahead, sir.
sa lahat ng puro nagdaan ng Davao to, pinakamabait yan si Kuy. Hindi makapatay ng lamok yan. Yung iba dyan, Danao, patay ganyan. Alam mo, ang trabaho nitong mga to is to confront criminals. And pag nandyan na yan, nagpumuntot na, buhay ng nila. Ngayon, mamili tayo. Ako, nung mamili ako, sabihin ko, sige, habulin mo. Patayin mo pag lumaban. Yun talaga ngayon. Patayin mo pag lumaban. Hindi ko sinasabi isalvage mo. Nasabi mo, hulihin mo, nakakampag, tapos barilin mo. Oo. Hindi trabaho ng lalaki yan eh. Kung tunay ka na lalaki, hindi mo trabaho yung patay ng tao na bigyan mo ng baril, magbarila na lang kayo.